Guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And this morning I'm gonna be making some regular biscuits. So what I'm gonna do is, as you can see here in this bowl, I have some flour, I have baking soda, I have sugar, baking powder, and the flour, and my salt, and a little bit of sugar, everything mixed here together. I was gonna make like 30 biscuits, but that's too much. So what I did was I cut the recipe in half. So if you come down here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Flour told me 3 cups, but I usually put a cup and a half of flour in here. And I put a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and that's it. So I put all this together. This is the powder. And then right here, this is the butter. So this is half a cup of butter is like 1 stick of butter. And because this one has salt, that's the only thing that I didn't put here was the salt, because the butter has already salt. And then says 75% of milk. This is 1 cup, so it's almost that. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna mix this butter. We gotta mix the butter with the sugar. See? You gotta mix it just like that.
Don't you mean the butter with the milk?
Yeah, the butter and the milk. See, Michael?
You said sugar.
No, in the milk. No sugar. Sorry, guys. And then after I'm done mixing this like all the way together, you know what, guys? I'm gonna have to do it by hand because it has to be exactly. Wow, look how all this is in there, Mike. Right? Let me try. Oh. That's the only thing that I don't like. So I'm gonna have to do it with a fork. So that was the milk and the thing, because this is for my biscuit, guys. So I put the flour in there. I told Michael, come and record. So it was the flour and the milk. I didn't have real milk, so I put some almond milk. Okay? So this is what we're gonna do. And if it's too thick like that, I'll put a little bit more of milk. But because it's biscuits, what do you do with biscuits, guys? Huh? I'm gonna put it here. You see it's a little bit sticky, so that means it needs a little bit more flour, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, to form the dough. As you saw me rolling it, Michael, we had to interrupt because my husband came down talking as we were filming. But hey, you know, that's what happened. So this is my dough, and I told you what I have here. You know, butter, milk, flour, baking soda, baking powder, sugar, salt, you know. So this is all you gotta do. And
this is with almond milk, guys.
Well, yeah, this was with almond milk.
Remember that. You can use whole milk, but
we don't get whole milk here.
No, I'm saying you can use whole milk.
I know.
First time ever making this. Beautiful.
You gotta have, exactly. Okay, you don't wanna roll this. This is half of that. Remember, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna make biscuit now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flatten it up. I'm gonna get a glass, and I'm gonna cut the biscuits. Okay, guys? Let me see. How many biscuits you think I can get from here, Mike?
At least 4. Maybe 6.
No, I want to get a little more because you know it's gonna grow, right?
Like 6.
I want to make like
half
8
a dozen
of them.
Maybe 8. Yep. Just depends on how you cut them.
Yeah. Let me get a tray. Sorry about that, people. You know how it is. Here I am, guys. This is too big, I think. Oh, you know what I'm gonna make the things with? With that other mugs that we have, Mike. So this is the dough, guys. So let's see what we come up with, right? Okay, so I have it like that, and now, like that. There you go. I'm just making it nice and, you know, square. Right, Mike?
That's right.
Thanks for coming back. So I'm going to use my baking powder jar because I want to use this round. These are like too big, too wide. So I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, see? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Told you.
5. I can make 8 because with the leftovers, I'm going to make 2 more. 8. And then we're gonna cut them around, right?
Oh yeah.
And take them out. I know they're gonna look a little bit like dumb, right? But they're gonna be good, I promise you. Yeah. Just cutting them around, guys, you know. Couple of more. Biscuits. I'm gonna put them in the oven. It says 20 minutes on 350, so it's 350 cook time, 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna make some gravy.
That'll be our next
Bacon
recipe.
gravy. That'll be our next recipe that I'm gonna make. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to come right back so you guys can see our biscuits when they come out. You wanna take a look at that, Michael?
Oh yeah.
Down? You can see it a little bit. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Biscuits came out, as you can see over here. I made
good.
little ones. Michael said they're really good. He ate one of those,
ate
didn't
one.
you, Michael? Here, Michael,
Really
you're
good.
another one.
Give it I want it with the gravy.
Oh, okay, look. Look at that. Wow, here.
And you haven't checked
So
out that
what
recipe.
I'm going to do now, so these are my
Make sure you do.
biscuits, and then I'm going to put some of that gravy that we made before. Okay, we're going to put it together. So we made the biscuits over there, and this is the gravy over here. We made bacon gravy. So what you do is you put it right on top of your bread, the biscuits. And here we go, guys. Biscuits and gravy served for you, for anybody that wants to have, you know what I'm saying, from scratch.
And the biscuit recipe
First time
and
that I
the
ever made it.
gravy recipe are both going to be
Michael said
separate.
That came out delicious, didn't you, Michael?
Oh yeah.
But they're both separate. Just go online, go on YouTube, and look at the recipes, you know, and try it. You can try to make it. You know, it's very easy to make. If you mess up, you can try again. You know, practice makes perfect, and you can come and tell your biscuits and gravy like that. So with that, I'm gonna put this up here, guys, and let you guys go. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, on Tumblr. Wow, I remember, huh, Mike? Pinterest. Just look for
That's
us
right.
everywhere. We're everywhere. Okay, and you can check this recipe out. And if you like it, you take it from there. And if you don't like it, maybe someone else of your friends might like this recipe.
Yeah, the biscuits and gravy aren't going to be together, guys, because it's going to be too long. The gravy is going to be separate from the biscuits.
Exactly. I'm going to put a little bit more sauce.
I'll make sure I link both videos in the description down below.
With that, I'll let you guys go. Thanks for watching. I love you all. This is going to be for my husband, this one. Michael's always by putting that so close to me. So with that, I love you guys. Have a great day. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. And peace out.